sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? What's happening? How y'all doing? First off, before we get into this thing, I just want to say happy freaking New Year to everybody. Yes, I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but hey, your girl is back. It's a new year. I feel good. About to look good, cause purr. So yeah. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you all had a great holiday. And I hope this new year be very, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't really know. I guess prosperous for us all. I hope every goal that you have set for yourself this year, you accomplish each and every one of them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we get into this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? What you doing? And if you're not following me on none of my social media platforms, make sure you make that happen, okay? Make sure you shop the brand, because, yeah, everything is still everything. Ain't nothing stopping. Okay, let's go ahead and get it. All right, so you read the title and everything and like that. So today we are reviewing You Guys. Y'all, I absolutely love their wigs. This is my second wig that I have purchased from them, and this is their packaging from Christmas. I ordered it last month, but this is the packaging. It was so adorable. So the first time that I ordered, it came with like a lot of little goodies, but this time when I ordered, it only came with like 3 little goodies. This came with the last time, but this time when it only came with this melting man. It's a makeup brush and some cute little lashes. And this is also their I think this, yeah. Oh, well, I don't know if this is their packaging or whatever, but yeah. So that's what came inside of the box. And this is the wig. Real cute. She's an 18-inch body wave. Of course, she doesn't look like it because of the curls, but yeah. 18 inches be looking like 20 inches on me. But it's so soft. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. I've already plucked it, like the edges and everything, just a little bit. I haven't like really put it on for real. Just giving her time to, you know, get acquainted with the house or whatever. But yeah, she's so soft and just, oh, and you know how sometimes like when you get hair, it be smelling like packaged hair. Their hair don't smell like packaged hair. It don't. But yeah, I love it. All right, now let's get into this installation process. It's just like the bed is big. Period. Stop playing with her. Don't play with her. Okay? Yeah, I love this wig. I love it. 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 Yeah. All right, but anywho, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I just wanted to do a quick little installation process so that I can post my video. And yeah, like this video if you like my installation process. Yeah, when I tell you it was getting a little complicated behind the camera, behind the scenes, you understand? But we got it together, okay? Cause anywho's, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you did not subscribe and you made it all the way to the end of this video, make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms. And you know, I'll tell you, girl, what's up, what's good, what's poppin', what's happening. You feel me? And make sure you shop the brand once again, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!